What happens when human ambition scales to 180 meters? Today, we're peeling back the layers of the world's tallest monuments to see how they defy both gravity and logic. 10. Great Buddha of Thailand, Thailand, 92 meters, located at the Wat Muang Monastery in Ang Thong. This massive statue is constructed of concrete and painted with gold. It serves as a prominent landmark and one of the most recognizable spiritual sites in the region. 9. Peter the Great Statue, Russia, 96 meters. Situated on the bank of the Moskva River in Moscow, this monument depicts the Russian Emperor, Peter the Great. Known for its controversial aesthetics and colossal scale, it remains one of the city's most discussed structures. 8. Guishan Guanyin, China, 99 meters, located in Hunan Province. This gilded bronze statue represents the thousand-hand and thousand-eye Guanyin, Bodhisattva of compassion. Its intricate craftsmanship is particularly striking. 7. Sendai Daikannon, Japan, 100 meters. Standing in Sendai, this white statue is one of the tallest in Japan. It features an internal elevator, allowing visitors to ascend to the top for a panoramic view of the city. 6. Emperors Yan and Huang, China, 106 meters. Located in Zhengzhou, this sculpture depicts the faces of two legendary ancient Chinese emperors. It appears as if it was carved directly into the mountain, symbolizing the origins of Chinese civilization and culture. 5. Nanshan Haishang Guanyin, China, 108 meters. Positioned in the sea off Sanya, this statue features three different faces, one facing the land and two facing the ocean, symbolizing the blessing of both China and the world. 4. Ushiku Daibutsu, Japan, 110 meters. This bronze Buddha statue in Japan's Ibaraki Prefecture held the title of the world's tallest statue when completed in 1995. It houses a 4-story museum and an observation deck within its structure. 3. Laykyun Setkyar, Myanmar, 116 meters, located near Moniwa. This bright yellow Buddha statue is visible from kilometers away. At its feet lies a massive reclining Buddha statue, adding to the scale of the site. 2. Spring Temple Buddha, China, 128 meters, located in Henan Province. This statue depicts the Vairocana Buddha. Completed in 2002, it held the title of the world's tallest for many years. Including its lotus throne and pedestal, the total structure reaches over 150 meters. 1. Statue of Unity, India, 182 meters. Located in Gujarat, India, this monument depicts the independence leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Opened in 2018, it is currently the undisputed tallest statue in the world. Its construction involved the collection of iron and steel from farmers across the country, making it a significant engineering feat. Humanity continues to shape massive structures to defy time itself. But as we've seen, even the tallest monuments are subject to the erosion of history. The question is, what comes next? Thanks for tuning into Subject Zero.